This is the situation at 1300 on May the 20th. Now, Germans are really not doing well here. Now, I've looked up at this game and there's a lot of people complaining about balance, so I've decided to introduce some balancing laws just to give the Germans even the remotest chance here. That the Allied units have got these purple firepower things. That means they can fire not only in a formation chip pull, they can also fire in a divisional chip pull. I know people say that the purple direct fire isn't very good, but it's the sheer amount of it that can be used. So I'm stopping that rule, because that rule wasn't in the original version of this game, and I believe it was changed at the last minute before this game was published. The people even suggesting that it wasn't play tested with that rule in place. Next thing I'm going to do is look at the Allied activation. Now, there is a special activation rule on Creep Force, the Allied 2nd Division, but I'm changing that so they can't intervene on the first 2 days of the game, but they could intervene earlier if Malmi Airfield falls. The reason for that is because Allied command was paralysed by indecision. They weren't sure about the Axis making an amphibious landing or seizing a port. So if you allow the Allies to release that unit on schedule, you're just going to get this steamroller effect of 2 Allied divisions pile driving their way through about half a division of Germans. Now, admittedly, the German troops are a lot better. Their pink direct firepower is superior. They've also got superior morale, and they've also got a -1 defence, which gives them a significant advantage quality-wise. It's just the sheer numbers here, and the fact that, historically, you've got a lot of freedom in how you move things. That the Allies weren't capable of reacting as quickly as a human player is when you know basically what's going to happen. You can say, all right, the Allies knew about the fact there wouldn't be an amphibious landing because they had ultra intercepts, but they didn't necessarily trust ultra intercepts. They could be wrong. The Italian Navy could have intervened quite significantly, but their losses at Taranto and Cape Matapan meant that they were unwilling to conduct a dangerous operation in waters where the British Navy was still active, as you will see later on, as I'll be using the optional naval. Well, I might not be using the optional naval rules because I might want to balance the game up even more. Anyway, that's where we stand.